To you, all the single ladies in this page, God will remember you this year. God will change your relationship status from single to married. If you are here, please raise up your hand and say very big amen, and say again, please God remember me. And to you, all the single men in this page, please engage the ladies on the comment section by saying hello, can we chat? And from the comment section first and again to the inbox, and from inbox both of you will exchange WhatsApp, and from WhatsApp you make appointment to see each other face to face. And please, when you make appointment, go to the neutral ground. Never you go to any person house. Go and meet at the neutral ground first and get to know each other, whether you like each other or not. If you like each other, you go forward. If you don't like each other,